Hello and welcome to the Club Talk training video on how to add a user. So you've logged into your Uboss portal. You then need to go to Clients, Business Users, Add New. That'll bring you onto the user page for a blank user. We're going to set a user up now. So we're going to drop down and choose the site we want to add this user to. In this instance it'll be a Club Talk demo. We'll input the first name and the last name of the user. We'll skip the department for now and add in a login ID. I've added in Chris Demo. Don't worry about the domain name, that'll be added automatically to this. Okay, so the credit limit is set as default £15 a day. In the VoIP account details, if you need a VoIP number, you just drop down, and if you've got some numbers assigned, then choose one of those numbers for that user. Extension is either 3 or 4 digits long. In my instance it's 4, normally when you're set up it's 3. You need to put in an extension number for that user so that internal people can call it, and also you can forward hunt groups etc. to that extension number, or add that extension number to the hunt groups. We'll discuss that at a later time. CLI phone number. Now you've given the user a DDI number above as a VoIP number, but the CLI number is the number that's presented outbound. So if you want that to be their DDI number that's presented, just leave the CLI phone number blank. If you want the main company number presented there, then fill that in. Club Talk's number is 01249470090, so that's what will be presented when this user, Chris Demo, makes an outbound call. Now if you've assigned this user a handset and added that to the system already and to the site, then drop down and choose, I'm going to choose my IP335 Polycom handset, and I will check that that's got the right MAC address for the phone that I'm assigning to the user, which it has. Your admin or account manager will have explained about primary packages and which license you need, and you need to drop down the primary package and choose the one that you've discussed or been allocated. In this instance I'm going to add a basic user to this user. That's my license and what I'm able to do, and I don't want anything else. So I don't want an alternate number, I don't want Unity, I don't want voicemail, so I'm going to go back up to the password, give myself a password. Something to be conscious of here is that your password needs to be a minimum of 8 characters, and you need to have at least one number or one alphabet in the password, and then click Save. Now as you've noticed at the top, if you click Save and there are any errors whatsoever, then they'll be presented at the top, and in this instance the login ID already exists, so please choose another. So we'll go to the login ID and we'll put Chris Demo 1 in there, and we'll need to re-input the passwords and then click Save. Brilliant. Save successfully, as it says at the top, and we can see that we've got Chris Demo. That's it, complete, and thank you for listening to the Club Talk training video on how to add a user.